Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to learn how to create and share meeting notes in Slack, the 2025 guide. We'll dive right in, so fasten your seatbelts. First, let's fire up the Slack app on your desktop or mobile device. This is the starting point for creating meeting notes. We're doing this because Slack is the platform where we'll be managing and sharing these notes. Secondly, navigate to the channel or direct message where you want to create the notes. The reason we do this is that it allows us to target our notes to specific teams or individuals, ensuring everyone gets the right information. Now that we're in the right place, let's click on the lightning bolt icon at the bottom of the screen. This opens up a list of Slack apps. One of them is Notes. We're using this tool because it's designed for creating, editing, and sharing notes within Slack. Next up, click on Notes and start typing or pasting your meeting notes right there. This step is where the magic happens, as it's where you create your meeting notes. The beauty of this tool is it saves your notes in real time, so you don't have to worry about losing your work. Once your notes are ready, it's time to share them. Click the Share button and select the channel or individuals you want to share it with. This helps us because it ensures everyone who needs to see the notes can access them instantly, right within Slack. Let me explain why this matters. By integrating the process of note-taking and sharing within Slack, you save time and improve communication within your team. It's efficient, easy, and all your notes are stored in one place. So that's it. With just a few clicks, you've created and shared your meeting notes in Slack. It's that simple, yet so powerful for team collaboration. Thank you for joining us today. Remember, efficient communication is key to a successful team, and tools like Slack help make that happen. Until next time, happy Slacking.